Kwa ihinda komishoni ya Ncic ikoretwo ikiorotwo na ikundi cia gutetera ihoto guku bururi-ini makiuga ni iragonderera wira-ini wayo na njira ya kwaga gutacukiria makinya ma kiwatho o ateti ona kana mukenyo wothe uri uraria ciugo cia rumena.
Na twarora uguo turita Kenya tutiganirite kana tutiraiganira na uria kamiti ino ya Ncic iraruta wira tondu makoretwo tuo makiaria no rutiona mundu andu matacokirio makinya, they are just backing but they are not biting.
Ikarigite mwero wa kamiti yo Dagitari Kefanya Muya agitetera commission iyo augite ruti wa wira wa Ncic ure kururia kurumerera mitaratara ya kiwatho akuona marikia gutafanio uthuthuria maneanaga mumerera ma uthuthuria office-ini cia director wa thitango cia muingi ODPP no ure tuaga matua kana cani ukuhando igoti-ini.
All that narratives are as a result of being strict when it comes to investigation, make sure we are within the law, and make sure that our cases have got facts. There must be evidence. Our cases must be evidence-based and not emotionally or politically based.
Kuri uguo nyamo ya ugete ati commission yo timagego yagite indi hari bata kuhetukio kwa watho wa Ncic wa mwaka wa 2025 anorio kotithia commission yo agukinyukagia makinya ma kiwatho maria yathirirwo gigatiba.
We have the 2025 amendment bill. This amendment bill is actually to align Ncic with the 2010 constitution.
Na ciĩgiĩ gĩthurano kĩnene kĩa mwaka wa 2027 nyame ugite mari mubango-ini wa guthondeka mitaratara ya kamiti iyo anire gutumika kuramata ateti na aria mangĩgeria kũhunjia rumena bũrũri-ini.
We want making sure that we don't allow the political actors to balkanize the country along tribal lines. We want to make sure that our people rejects any politician that preaches hate or that speaks hate or balkanizes along tribal clanism lines, etc.
Ado ina Hinero TV kuma guko Nairobi ni njitagwo Wainaina wa Kamukwa.